Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0343 Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit High for bank number 1. If you're getting P0343, it means that the camshaft position sensor, it is sending erratic signal to the computer. So when the computer detects erratic signal coming from the camshaft position sensor, again, it's going to trigger P0343 code. Before you do anything, first, let's start with the most common problem, and that's going to be at the camshaft position sensor area. Now, when you look at the camshaft position sensor, make sure that engine oil is not leaking directly on the camshaft position sensor connector, because if engine oil is leaking on it, most likely caused by a bad valve cover, a gasket, or maybe even a bad camshaft seal, it can cause engine oil to leak all over on the connector, and it can cause poor signal. The next thing I recommend checking is the connector. Disconnect the connector and look at the pins on the inside of the camshaft position sensor and make sure it is not corroded. Also, you want to look at the connector as well and make sure that the pins are not corroded as well. Next, take a look at the wire. Make sure the wire is not broken. Make sure it is not frayed, because due to the camshaft position sensor location, engine heat can cause the wire to become brittle, and it can cause it to break, and it can cause a circuit high code. The next thing I recommend doing is that you want to tap on the sensor with an object and see if the engine starts to act up. Also, next, grab the wire and wiggle it a little bit and see if the engine acts up. If the engine is acting up, then you're going to have either a connection issue or you're going to have a camshaft position sensor that might be failing. The next most likely problem is you're going to have a timing issue. If there's something wrong with the timing system, it can cause the camshaft position sensor to not get a proper reading. For example, if the timing chain is stretched, or the timing guide is completely worn out on the surface, or the timing tensioner can no longer apply tension on the timing guide, it can again cause the camshaft position sensor to not get a proper reading. For example, the purpose of the camshaft position sensor is to monitor the speed and the exact rotational position of the engine camshaft. So again, if there's slack in the timing system, again, they can trigger P0343 code. If you're getting P0343 code caused by maybe a bad camshaft position sensor or bad camshaft position sensor wires or connector, or you have some sort of timing issue, most likely you're going to get additional codes as well. So make sure you understand that part. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.